Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I'm still a big believer this is going to make a higher low, and I still think this is an A, B, and C of wave Y, which is 3 waves up for the W, 3 waves down for the X, and 3 waves up for the ABC of wave Y, which I still think needs to go up and take out the previous highs. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave B over here. And I think that means this is a wave 1 of C. This is an ABC, 2 of C. A lot of the dollar pairs to me look like they may have already ended a correction, especially the Aussie dollar at the 78%. If that is true, then I think this is going to make its way up and eventually make that wave 3, 4, and 5, which is a 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think is a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1. I think this is a downtrend A, 3 waves up. B, definitely kind of odd that this made 3 waves down, but I mean, the market doesn't always make perfect ABC patterns. It really looks like a nice complete ABC correction to me at the 78%. Very, very impulsive up, especially with how impulsive up. I would definitely be looking for longs on sort of time frames. I think there's a good chance that this could just keep on making higher highs and higher lows. Now, we do have dollar interest rate news on Wednesday. That's going to have a big effect on all the dollar pairs. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I would be pretty cautious about sorting this. A lot of the other dollar pairs do look like they need to make a correction to the uptrend, and this one definitely seems like it should also make a correction to the uptrend, but with how strong up it is, I would be cautious about going short at least until we get a break of structure to the downside on the 4 hour time frame and up, because this could pretty easily just continue to make those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as a big uptrend on the higher time frames. Like I said, I would be very cautious about going short. I think there is a chance it might go down, but I would be very, very cautious at least until we get a 4 hour time frame break of structure. It could potentially turn into a big correction, like a big ABC correction to the whole move up, but it could also, and maybe even more likely, just make a correction to this last push up and just keep on making those higher highs, higher lows, which is why until the 4 hour time frame and up, give me some reason to start looking for shorts, like a break of structure to the downside or something like that, or a significant lower high. I personally would be looking for logs on these sort of time frames at the end of 3 wave pullbacks still. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the members by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.